Guidelines to parents. When we are talking about giving instructions to the school staff and administrators, and also discussing with the teachers that the parents should be encouraged, similarly, the parents also have a responsibility when they visit the schools. So these are the guidelines to the parents. Parents must be informed about the activities that take place in their child's classroom. So if the school authorities inform the parents what is going on in the school, what are the activities taking place, and when the children verify that these particular activities are taking place in the school, then the parents need to be satisfied as long as they have the information and they are in the picture that what is going on in the school. They do have a medium from which they can always verify. Children just tell the truth to their parents. So the parents, if they are well informed and if they discuss those activities with their children, they come to know that the school is informing them well, and also they come to know that these activities are giving a development and a growth to their child because the child knows about it. In case the parents find that whatever the school is saying is different from whatever the child is coming and telling at home, then they need to ask the school authorities very politely that they just want a clarification on it, that this is what the school is informing, and on the other hand, the child is not verifying that these activities are really taking place in school. So they need an explanation to understand what is going on in the school so that they are well informed about the activities that are taking place in their child's school. They should also be guided about the aims of doing these activities. Sometimes the parents, they do not know why such activities are taking place in the school. They do not know what are the aims of doing an activity in the school. Why are people sitting together in groups and working? Probably most of the parents would not understand why there are being groups formed and why the group leader is teaching the rest of the group, why not the teacher herself? So these things have to be explained to the parents in newsletters, maybe in diary notes, or maybe when they come on a parents' day and the teachers explain why do they have group work and what is it going to inculcate in the development of their children. Also, at the same hand, if possible, parents should be given some easy step guides or materials to follow these activities at home with their child. Sometimes it is a good practice that some sort of a booklet or a guideline in writing is given to the parents. It should be an easy step guide. It should not be something very difficult that the parents cannot follow themselves. It should be written in steps and it should be very easy as if it is a booklet to just start a device. So very easy language should be used in it where the parents are guided. What is happening in the school? What is the purpose of those activities? And how can the parents help their children at home to carry on with these activities? Such kind of a newsletter or a diary or anything in a written form, even a pamphlet or a sheet of paper in which there is some information given, which does not need to have been very well designed, it just needs to have very clear instructions. Diary notes also help the parents to follow up their child's daily routine. Especially in the primary school and kindergarten, diary notes are very helpful. So the teacher needs to write a diary at the end of the day. In each student's diary, the teacher needs to put a note what the student has done during the class and what does he need to do at home, or how can the parent reinforce what the child has done in school and help and support him at home to sort of revise that so that the student is very happy to do something he has done in school and he knows it and now he can do it at home with the parent. So if the teacher writes a diary, that will be very helpful for the parent.